Well, hello, how are you? I'm gonna make it into the sky and come back to me and show you. Do you know where I am? I'm in the Alps. You see that over there? That's the highest point of Europe. Let's say. I mean, I don't really know about that, and I'm making a video vlog.
Hello, how are you? Yeah!
Okay, please. That I'm carrying a camera and you're gonna break it. Oh man.
Wow!
Okay. Anyway,
Fog is coming!
we just came here. It's fog. There's fog over there. Mist. There's mist. It's coming for you and for me. Actually, it's for me and for you too because you are with me. So YouTube. Anyway, the thing is that we came here to ski, but everything is closed because there's no snow. Actually, I see snow everywhere, but I suppose not enough. So I will show you more or less, like the mountains and ice and them. And actually there's blue. And we are going there in this cabin just to say hi and then go back. So yeah. Probably we will not be able to see anything because there's the fog. The mist is coming to town. Probably I will call this video vlog like this. The mist. The mystical mist. Anyway, that's all. That's a smile over there. Leave a comment below if you smile often or not. And that's some pee over there. That's disgusting, by the way. Yeah, never drink yellow snow. It's a good tip. So, thank you for watching. I'm gonna make it out to the floor. And coming back to me, it's white. Oh, by the way, that's new. Huh? It's nice. And tell you enjoy your life, I do with mine. Bye.